This is my 68-inch epiq. I'm doing like an updated toolbox tour. And it's kind of documentation for insurance too. But here we go. So it's got the bedliner top on it. It's a mess on the top right now, but it's got the power ports with a 3.0 USB on both sides. Then they got this LED light strip built into the power top. Ratchets, extensions, sockets, torque wrenches. These are magnetic 1/4-inch sockets. The axle nut lug nut sockets. These are those Mac, they're kind of like extractor bits for Allens. I got the same thing for the Torx. Here's all my adapters. My wrench drawer. I got standard over here, metric over there. Crow's feet. These are very handy. Ratcheting, reversible flex head, long handle. These are also very handy too for tight reach or tight spaces. This is kind of a blow mold case drawer, ball joint press, radiator pressure test kit, extractors, hole saw kit, more extractor kits. This is a tap and die set. This is another tap and die set. The vacuum or brake bleeder vacuum pry bars, thread restoring kit. This is kind of a, random drawer. Got lights, pens, knives, stuff like that. My electrical drawer. Got my multimeter, heat gun, little cheap scan tool, power probe, all my electrical test stuff. And this is all my Craftsman cordless tools, and here's a bore scope in here. Sawzall, stuff like that, battery charger. I got scrapers, screwdrivers, picks, pry tools. We've got these Mac burr bits. They're pretty nice. They're kind of expensive, but they got a lifetime warranty on them, so that's pretty sweet. And a plier drawer. Kind of like my hammer drawer, punches, air hammer bits. I use these for like a homemade slide hammer. Got a piece of all thread that threads into my vice grip. Those are like files and brushes in there. And this is a power tool drawer. I got mostly Milwaukee, some Snap-on, Blue Point drill, Snap-on air hammer, which I really like. This is a 3/4-inch Snap-on. It was really expensive, and yeah, it's good, but I kind of wish I would have bought a Milwaukee. Would have saved a bunch of money. This 12-volt Milwaukee drill here. This is real handy for tight spaces. Same thing with this 12-volt impact. There we go. I also got kind of random stuff in here. These are my Mac drill bits. They got a lifetime warranty. I got a ball joint 4-wheel drive adapter kit in here. But, yep, there you go. I also got my Snap-on adjustable head creeper. But it's an expensive box, but it's pretty nice. Holds a lot of tools.